Hi there, I'm Ella, a Wondershare Virbo AI avatar. Let me show you how you can create a video. First, tap Create Video to go to the video editing page. Tap Add Scene to select your scene template. Enter your script, and tap AI script to improve it. Tap Apply to use it right away. Tap to change the voiceover. There are many voiceovers you can choose from.
Wondershare Virbo.
You can also adjust the speed, tone, and volume of the voiceover. Tap the function bar to adjust the number of AI avatars and the background. You can choose from a wide range of decorative fonts and stickers. Tap to import the assets you want. Tap an image or text to set its layers, masks, entrance, and exit animations. Tap Export and wait for your Virbo video to be generated. There are many more exciting features you can explore.
I'm Ella, a Wondershare Virbo.